So when I bought this bed frame 5 years ago, it was pretty straightforward to put it together since we had clear instructions. Now I need to deassemble it, and I found quick, effective ways to do it without damaging the product. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing, there are 2 screws here. So you want to make sure you remove this metal frame before you continue. And here's a quick tip if you are doing it by yourself. Since this rail is pretty long, you want to leave the first screw on and then work your way through until you get to the end. You unscrew the last one and then you come back to this first one here. I've already unscrewed the others and you can see it's still in line. If you started with the first one, it will eventually drop and it makes it harder to do the job. So the next stage is to remove this from this. And at the beginning, I assumed that since there's an arrow icon in each of the metal caps, I just had to align it with the screw, which is facing this direction, and then it would simply pop off. Then I spent the next 15-20 minutes trying to yank this off. Now here's the easier way and the correct way to do it. So all you've got to do is to continue turning anti-clockwise one at a time, and you can see here it's starting to undo. And there we go.